Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be talking about websites versus sales funnels. What is a website? Why do you need a website? What is a sales funnels and why do you need a sales funnels? Do you actually need them both or is either or? But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topic. So if this is the very first time to my channel, subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking about websites and sales funnels. Are they the same thing? Do you need them both? Well, let me show you really fast. This is actually a website. It's a catalog. It's not an e-commerce store because you can do the purchase right away online, but it's a great catalog. So as you can see, people can buy different, apparels and different type of clothing. So as you can see here, first of all, it do have a menu so people can browse through the site. The other thing is that, hey, there might be women who are looking for certain kind of apparel. They might be men who are looking for certain kind of apparel. Maybe there's going to be a mother or a father who's looking for something kind of clothes for his kids or her kids. So there are different options and there are different reasons why people land here and they're going to be browsing around. Okay, so the idea is that this website is going to bring people, right? But maybe depending on what I'm doing or the kind of ads that I'm running, chances are that people can feel overwhelmed and maybe you are not going to make money right away. This is the issue why most e-commerce stores do not have the success that owners are expecting to get, because maybe they don't know, like, okay, I'm offering shoes, I'm offering t-shirts, I'm offering shorts, and offering skirts. Why people are not buying? Hey, because maybe they are not in the mood. Maybe there are people who are looking for a specific type of t-shirts and they feel overwhelmed. But it is okay. It is okay to have a website. We actually need to have a website because the idea of a website is that we are going to bring traffic. Okay, people are going to know our brand, they're going to know ourselves. Also, if you're offering products and services, you can show people like a portfolio. You can show them more about your product, more about your service. Okay, but what is a sales funnels? A sales funnels is a page in which, let me show you this one first. It is actually a page in which people can only do one action, and that's the action that you want. As you can see, this is a landing page in which I'm offering a free affiliate marketing training. Okay, and the only thing that they can do is that they can fill out this form. They can put their name, they can put their email if they want to get the information. If they don't do that, there is no other way in which they can get this information. Okay, so they can do one specific thing. This is another landing page or another funnel. This is another sales funnel. This was one that I use for Cyber Monday. So as you can see, people can buy a product on a discounted price. That's the only thing that they can do here. If they are interested to get this bundle pack, they will need to pay $29. That's the only thing that they can do here. Yeah, this store, which is Trending Mockups, it's offering other products as well, but I'm not showing them to people. So I'm targeting people to land on this page and do a specific action. By the way, this is the very first transaction that they're gonna do. It can be a quote-unquote free transaction because right now they are paying me with their name and email if they want to have my affiliate marketing course, or in this case they are paying $29 if they want to get this bundle pack. Okay, and something really important is that you can do a value ladder. Okay, so you can do a value ladder and you can offer them something for free. Then on the next page they're gonna have a low ticket product, anything below $20, right? Then on the next page you can offer them another product, maybe a $67 product, $100 product. Then it's gonna be a I don't know, a $500 product, $1,000 product. So as you can see, the value of the cart is improving, right? Because that's what we're expecting them to do. We're expecting them to put some information first, or to purchase a tripwire product, which is a low ticket product, so they can be ready to purchase other products. So that's why we're offering them funnels, right? Not everybody is gonna buy, or when I mean buying, it can be also paying with their name and email, okay? So not everybody's gonna do the purchase, right? But that's what we expect. We expect to put $1 in so we can get $2 out. If we send them to a website and we put $1 in on an ad, maybe they're not gonna click on the place we want them to click. Maybe they're gonna feel so overwhelmed. As I mentioned before, we're not gonna capture their information, and that's it, we lose our money. So that's why we need to have sales funnels. Even if you're doing drop shipping, even if you have your own product, if you're doing affiliate marketing, you name it, you need to have funnels. How do you do funnels? By the way, I'm gonna leave a link below if you want to check it out. My number one recommendation, it's actually Builderall. Builderall is an all-in-one marketing solution, and if you have no kind of experience with sales funnels, don't worry. They offer you like a blueprint of all the funnels that you can have. You do not need to have any kind of experience or expertise doing designs. You're gonna click here where it says select funnel. You're gonna select the template that you want, and that's it. By the way, if you know how to use Microsoft Word, you are gonna know how to use ClickFunnels, because this is a drag and drop website builder and funnel builder, and as I mentioned, it's an all-in-one marketing solution. If you want to check it out and if you want to know my bonuses, I'm gonna leave a link below. Another cool tool that Builderall offers, and this is just on the Builderall business plan, it's the Canva. As you can see, it's on beta phase. So what does the Canva works for? Hey, if by any chance you say like, okay, these are cool funnels, the one right here, right, but I want to create my own funnel. You are already an expert, you understand how a funnel works, you have a vision about your funnels, and you don't want to adapt this, but you want to customize it. Well, not customize, start one from scratch. Okay, you're going to use the Canva. Let's say we're going to place the plus symbol, and let me do something here really fast. Let's say that, hey, we're gonna opt in. Okay, we're gonna opt in, so that means that it's gonna be something like this. People are gonna be capturing their name and email, right? And on the second step, I want to offer them something, an OTO, a one-time funnel, a one-time offer. So let's say that it's here, it's gonna be a one-time offer, but I don't want it to end. Okay, I don't want it to end. I want to offer them maybe then it's going to be my thank you page, and let's say that maybe I'm going to do an upsell. I'm just making it up. Okay, so as you can see, I build my own funnel sequence really easy. If I save it, I'm going to have it on my Builderall editor, so I can edit these pages. Really easy, really simple. There is no need to have any kind of technical knowledge required. So another thing, if you want to build your own websites and you are not a web developer, you're not a graphic designer, you have no knowledge about this, don't worry. Here on Builderall, you can click here where it says drag and drop pixel perfect, and then you're gonna click here where it says new websites. So as you can see, they do have several categories here, and they do have pre-done websites. Okay, it doesn't matter on which niche you are, or if you want to sell them, because hey, you can do that as well. You can create your own business. Hey, these are designs really nice, professional. The only thing that you do to edit the information that you have, change the images if you want, change the colors so it's gonna match your logo or whatever you have. I don't know, right? So you can edit them. So as you can see, you can do it all with Builderall. The coolest thing about Builderall is that it's an all-in-one marketing solution. So if you want to do email marketing, if you want to create a chatbot, if you want to do webinars, you can do it with Builderall, and you don't have to wait up, or you don't have to worry about paying anything extra. As I mentioned before, if you want to give it a try, I'm gonna leave a link below so you can check it out, and also you can check out which are the bonuses that I'm offering. Okay, so if you find this information useful, give me a thumbs up. If you still have some questions about websites and funnels, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. This is it for this video, but I see you on the next one.